Maybe I was just seeing things. Ano sa'yo ba eh? I should lock the door too. Saan? Just in case. Okay. Saan yung lock? What are you doing? Ano yun? Nakita ko. Lock all the doors, lead the way. Okay, sure. Ano punta dito? At repeat ocean warrior. Be, punta ka sa mga tandang padamdam. Dito ba? Hindi. Saan yung hayop na yun? Saan yun? Ito. Ano to? Paraho ba din? Okay na? Tapos, may baril dito. Shit, M4. Hindi yun M4. M4 ba yan? Trig. I should try to get my homework finished. Ba yan? Gagawa-gawa pa ng homework. Pwede ka nang kumopya na lang sa kaibigan mo. Klase mo. Pwede yun. Later in that night. Shit. Who is that? Si Erika na naman. Oh my God. Anong ginagawa mo dyan, B? Lumusot ka. Paano nangyari yan? Should I even open it? What if it's Erika? What if she has a weapon or something? Pagatin mo na lang si Erika. She's taking this way too far. Ben, Billy, ang duwag mo. Babae lang yan. Maybe it's not even her. I shouldn't get too paranoid. Who's at the door? Ito yung door natin dito. Kasi uy, tangina mo ate ko. Bakit parang pagod ka? Nakakainis ka. Di naman ako nag-order. A pizza? Who ordered a pizza to my house? Parang nakadrag tong lalaking to. Talk to the pizza delivery. Hey kid. Took you a while to answer everything, alright? Tingina mo, parang ikaw ngayon hindi alright eh. Yeah, it's none of your business, duh. Akin na nga yan, leche ka. Tatakot ka. I have a pepperoni pizza here. Is it yours? Alay ko, hindi naman akin yan. Erika yan. Is it already paid for? I'm not going to pay for it. Yes. Sana, ganyan din sa bahay. It was probably my crazy ex then. She's been trying to get me to date her again. Bakit naman kasi nagustuhan mo yung Billy? I really don't care. Here's the pizza food. Anak, ina mo, naka-open pa. Paano kung papasukan na ng langaw, diba? Alright, things. Low tip, you sure? You know you're supposed to tip. Ang arte naman nito. Sana, masaksak ka dyan sa daan, charot. Tara, pizza place. Place pizza in the kitchen. Okay. Look. Ay, sorry, be. Tatlo lang. Ano. Tapos may lason. Baka may lason. You receive a new, oh my God, from your mother. Hey, Billy. Sorry, I forgot to tell you, but I ordered. Ay, si mother pala. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you, mother. You're the best, mom. I love you. Love you. Bakit walang ay? Sarap. Tatakot na ako. Erika lang yan. The pizza guys scared me, but thank you, mom. Love you too. Bakit walang ay? Nababother ako sa I love you nila. I can't believe she forgot to tell me she ordered pizza. Erika lang yan. Anong gagawin? Kung ako sa'yo, Billy, binlock ko na siya. Ang OA mo rin eh. Ayaw mo na siya makausap, pero ikaw yung dito ko binablock. Syunga ka rin mo. What are you doing? Oh my god. I know you love gifts. Go look in the garage. Oh, why are you doing this? You need to leave me alone, okay? You're weird though. I'm not getting back to you. Bakit ganyan yung text? I call the police if you don't stop. Ang OA mo, babe. Kung ako sa'yo, binlock ko na yan. Oo. Now you're gonna ignore me. Ay, wow. Whatever. Wow! After mo siyang i-ignore, tapos sabihin mo sa kanya yan. Gago ka ba? Gago ka ba, Billy? I already told you. Go look in the garage. Teka. Ayan ka na naman eh. He's not going to leave me alone. Shit. I have to look in the garage. Ito ba yung garahe, be? Ito ba yun? Shit. Ito ba yun? Investigate what Erica did in the garage. Ito pala. Saan? Saan yung garahe? Saan? Wala. Ang inang yan. Ang ina talaga ng pizza delivery guys. Sabi siya. Is it at ahead of the pizza guy? You have to call the police. Eh, wala naman dugute. Di naman yun. Baka ano lang, manikal lang. Ganun. Ang ina yun. Gugulat eh. Wala. Boring. Power went. Erica must have done this. She's a psychopath. Paano na patay ni Erica yung mga ilaw ng... she's so weird. Is that you? Who is that you? What are you talking about? Erica, this is funny. Tara, alis. Susuntukin ko sa Erica. You're taking this with you. I see someone. Is that you, Billy? Nakakusahan mo pa ako, ah. Sama ko nga si Orteg. Please, Erica, just leave me alone. Ay, naku, Billy. Ang syunga-syunga mo. Black na mo. No other girls deserve you. You belong to me. Wow, ganito ka, ano? Ay, naku, Erica. You deserve someone better. Ito di Billy. Walang kwenta yan. If I can't have you, no one can. Oh my God. Parang ang atake na is, yun yung kay Skiza. If I can't have you, no one can. So, yung gagawin ko. Neighbor? Ang syala mo, ah. Please. I'm running. Are you running? Because it's so old. It seems a little weird. Because I saw all the lights shut out in your house, it seems really weird. And I keep seeing someone shouting around. It sounds like a window or something broke. What happened to the animal? King ina mo, susuntukin kita! Run to you. Tangin na! Dala ka din, Orte. Dali. Cause hide your parents' closet. Okay, king ina naman. Paano ko magtatago dito para kang gago? Look, gag, ang putik. Hala, ayun na. Ina mo, Erica, pakyo ka. Susuntukin kita. Umalis siya, B. Umalis siya, natakot siya. Ano ba yan, Erica? Hindi na eh. Papatay mo na sana ako eh. Sayang, daduwag. Or welcome back to sea. Due to your quick reaction, you escape your ex and were able to hide, survive the you police have found her and she was suffering very pain. Yun na yun. Boring. Boring. Yun na yun. Corny, B. Boring. Sayang, di ko nasuntok sa Erica. Mas nakakatakot yung, patayan.